Math Gad.
Oh math God guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be solving system of equations by the method of substitution. So in this case we're going to be solving a small problem in which we're going to be given again a system of equations, so two equations with two variables. In this case we're going to be taking a look at x and y, and we want to see what is going to be the solution for this system of equations by the method of substitution, and that is what we're going to be seeing today. So let's begin. Okay, guys, so in this case, you are given an equation, a system of equations. The first one is y minus 0.8x is equal to 0.5. And then the second one is going to be 5y minus 2.5 is equal to 4x, right? Now, it's very important that we remember what is going to be the process or the procedure in these problems of substitution. The first thing that you're going to do is that you're going to choose either one of the equations. So you can choose the first one or the second one. And you're going to choose either x or y, one of the variables, to solve the equation. Now, what you're going to do is that, again, you can choose any of the two equations, either y in the first one or x in the first one, or y in the second one or x in the second one. You choose, right? Now let's choose y on the first one, but you can choose any again. So we're going to choose the first equation and we're going to choose to solve for y, right? So our answer here is going to be y minus 0.8x is equal to 0.5, right? Since we're solving for y, we're going to isolate it. So we're going to leave y alone. So y is equal to 0.5, and that 0.8x goes adding, so plus 0.8x. Now that we have found our value of y alone, right, we're going to substitute that value on that second equation, okay? So again, we're going to copy our second equation, which is the one we didn't use. So 5y minus 2.5 is equal to 4x. And we're going to substitute that value of y wherever y is. So now we're going to choose and see 5 multiplied by y, and y is 0.5 plus 0.8x minus 2.5 is equal to 4x, right? Now that means that we're gonna just do this. So 5 multiplied by 0.5 is going to be 2.5, right? And 5 times 0.8 is going to be plus 4x, right? And then we're gonna have minus 2.5, and that is going to be equal to 4x, right? Now let's move the x's to the right. So we have 2.5 minus 2.5 is equal to 4x minus 4x. So as you can see here, we have 2.5 minus 2.5 is 0, and 4x minus 4x is going to be 0 as well. And you guys have to remember that whenever we have 0 equals 0, or you have 5 equals 5, or you have 10 equals 10, right? Whenever you have the same thing on both sides of the equation, that means that this is going to be infinite solutions, right? Which means that these two equations are actually the same one, but expressed with different numbers, right? People usually forget that the 0 equals 0 or the 5 equals 5 is actually infinite solutions, right? But now you guys know that, and you can practice this in order to succeed on the system of equations solved by substitution. So that's pretty much it for today, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys!
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!